Welcome back. This is Wright's cooking channel. Today we're gonna cook some neck bones and some beef. And here are all our ingredients here. This is our onion, this is our carrot, this is our bell pepper, and a few seasoning up here. And this is our ginger. So let's get started. Beef and our neck bones all sorted out. Now I'm gonna just make it burn for maybe 2 minutes and then put some water in it. I'm gonna put some water into it now. And now guys, I'm gonna add some seasoning to it. Some black pepper. And I'm gonna make this cook for at least 1 hour, and then we'll show you the rest. Checking on my pot. Okay guys, this is what it looked like. I'm gonna add some more things to it. I'm gonna add my garlic. I'm gonna add some cut ginger, and also I'm gonna add my carrot. These are my cut carrots. I'm gonna add some bell pepper. And I'm gonna add my onion. These are all my chopped onion. And I'm gonna add my thyme. Also I'm gonna add 1 Irish potato to it. And I'm gonna let it cook. All this cook right down, and it's gonna make it one gravy. And as soon as I'm through, I'm gonna show you, and I'm adding a little bit of salt to it. Okay guys, this is it. As soon as it's finished, I'll dish you a nice plate. Okay guys, this is the way how you do stew neck bones, and you make a gravy out of it. See, it's done, and I'm gonna dish you a plate right now. Guys, this is what it look like. Well, delicious. Thanks guys for watching Wright's cooking channel. Remember to subscribe and share with friends, and you have a blessed day.